wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best breast pumps. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Even if you've got an electric model at home, the fatigue-minimizing ergonomic grip of the Lansinoh manual makes it a solid choice for your go bag as a compact human-powered option that can be a godsend when you're on the move. It's easy to disassemble and clean and comes with a 2-stage let-down stimulation function. However, it's not strong enough for some women. At number 9, the Bellema Mango Plus Single offers a dual-stage operation for stimulation and expression. 9 settings that can provide up to 320 millibars of suction strength and helpful adapters to connect with a wide range of bottles. It runs on AC or DC power and features backflow contamination prevention, but it has a limited runtime on AA batteries. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the bellababy Double Electric Power comes with 10 storage bags for keeping an ample supply of milk handy. Its base presents a user-friendly interface that can run plugged into a mains outlet or on its built-in lithium-ion battery. It charges via USB and the display is large and easy to read. However, it is a little on the noisy side. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for breast pumps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, independent dual vacuum control allows the quiet, portable Bellema Euphoria Pro to work equally well in double pumping mode as it does in single, and its 3-stage technology mimics the suckling action of an infant to express milk as naturally as possible. It's equipped with an anti-backflow system and an easy-to-use touchscreen, but assembling the diaphragm is a pain. Moving up our list to number 6. You don't have to break the bank to get the premium functionality and on-the-go convenience of the Bellema Plenitude, a closed collection system that's powered by an internal rechargeable battery for up to 4 hours of continuous operation. It boasts 9 suction levels and capacitive touch controls, and stores your preferred settings in its memory. Halfway up our list at number 5. Lighter, quieter and less expensive than many other hospital-grade solutions, the Spectra S2 Premier Plus features a user-friendly digital interface and a highly customizable configuration with adjustable dual-phase settings. It includes a helpful timer function and a programmable speed and suction, but it's got no battery backup. At number 4, widely available interchangeable components make the Medela Pump-In Style Advanced a practical solution for busy moms who can't afford to waste time searching for hard-to-find replacements for lost or worn-out parts to keep their device running. It offers a simple one-touch operation and comes with an international adapter. However, it does occasionally leak. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the elvie Single Silent is a low-profile option designed to be worn inside a standard nursing bra. It connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, so you can activate and control it without drawing attention to yourself. It operates quietly and notifies you when it's full. It's easy to keep clean too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for breast pumps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the lansinoh Signature Pro Portable provides a flexible, contamination-resistant solution that can be used in either single or double collection mode, with 3 pumping styles and variable suction levels. A backlit LCD screen makes programming easy. It features an intuitive user interface, a tote bag, and 2 extra valves. And taking the top spot on our list, the hospital-grade Spectra S1 has it all. A patented anti-backflow closed system, built-in rechargeable battery for use at home or on the go, 2-phase cycling, and customizable settings for suction strength and speed to ensure the comfort and efficiency of every session. This is a versatile option for long-term use with programmable electronic controls and an integrated nightlight with a timer. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for breast pumps, or simply click beneath this video.